Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best foldable phones available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have Samsung Galaxy Foldable Phone. It comes with Flex Mode, just unfold your mobile phone's screen to your best angle for hands-free pics and video calls. Choose what you want to capture, set it down, stand back, and shoot your best shot. Whether you're into sophisticated neutrals or vibrant tones, you'll turn heads with every take. There's a right time for downtime and a low battery signal. You can control your cell phone even when it's folded shut. Galaxy Z Flip 3 notifies you on the external cover screen. At number 3 we have Microsoft Foldable Phone. This two ultra-thin high-resolution touchscreens open to reveal new possibilities on a mobile device. It is designed to help you be productive. Surface Duo features multiple modes. The best of Microsoft 365 mobile experiences, every Android app in the Google Play Store, and new dual-screen enhanced tabs. At number 2 we have Samsung Electronics Galaxy Foldable Phone. The latest Galaxy cell phone brings seamless integration of hardware and software, so you can multitask while using multiple apps. You can enjoy wireless text productivity, which allows you to use a monitor or TV as a second to display for gaming, working and more. A new revolutionary mobile experience with on-demand expansive viewing, seamless interactivity. At number 1 we have Galaxy Z Fold Foldable Phone. This capture hands-free photos and videos from any angle, and control Android apps by using both halves of the large display. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best foldable phones for your need.